Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to this presentation. We form group 7, and let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Asma Melati for study number 210, and my partner, Nur Aini, study number 211, and Cecilia Nur Ofiansa for study number 212. Next. In this presentation, we will discuss about past life and population development consists of the influence factor of the past population will be delivered by Cecilia Nurofiasa, and causes of resurgence will be delivered by me, and observation which will be delivered by Nur Aini.
The influence factor of the past population. Number 1 is internal factor. First is life cycle, is the length of the time insect develop from the egg until the insect lay the egg for the first time. When the life cycle is short, the development of the pest population will be fast. Second is sex ratio, is the ratio of male and female insect. When the more female are produced, the faster insect population will develop. And the third is keperidian, which is the number of eggs produced by a female. Of course, the higher the keperidian level of an insect, the faster the insect population will be developed. Number 2 is external factor. First is abiotic. The abiotic environment includes rainfall, temperature, humidity, and etc. that will limit or encourage insect population to thrive. For example, is when the rainfall is high, it will affect the insect population directly and indirectly. And the second is biotic. Biotic environmental factor include predator, parasitoid, pathogen, competitors, etc. For example, is the presence of predator and parasitoid in a plant will suppress the development of the pest population. And the last is dietary factor. This factor also greatly affects the development of the pest population. The quality and quantity of food have an influence on the level development to the pest population.
Causes of resurgence. Resurgence is the emergence of a population explosion of a particular pest after receiving pesticide treatment. Resurgence can be caused by killing natural enemies, increasing the rate of reproduction and food consumption of a pest, reducing the length of the neem stage, and prolonging the length of the imago stage. That can rise resurgence.
Observation. Observation is the activity of collecting data and information about some object that will be observed. Step in observing is 1. Monitoring. 2. Compare data. 3. Decision. 1. Monitoring. Monitoring activities are carried out to follow the development of the state of the ecosystem at any time, which include the development of ecosystem components. 2. Compare data. The monitoring result data then analyzed by comparing ecosystem data with the control threshold. 3. Decision. Decision can be made regarding control or management action that need to be applied to the ecosystem. The result of decision can apply to the field regarding management or control measures such as improving crop cultivation, introducing natural animals, changing their habitat, controlling with species acts. Criteria or provision regarding sampling. Unit sample. The sample unit is the smallest unit of observation. It can be I. Unit land surface area. B. Land volume unit. C. Plant part such as clump, stem, leaf, metric. D. In the form of this of phase stadia, often used for evolution in natural animals such as the number of parasite larvae or host larvae. H. 2. Determining the sampling interval. The sampling interval is distance between one observation and the next observation time on the same observation plot. 3. Determining the sample size in the sampling and observation program. The sample size or number of sample units that must be observed at each observation time must be determined. 4. Design or sampling pattern. The ideal pattern is random sampling, denoted as I layer random pattern. B. Systematic sampling pattern. C. Purposive or predetermined sampling pattern. 5. Sampling mechanic. Insect sampling mechanic is any technique of botany collecting and counting individual insect observed or material life by insect is predetermined sample unit.
Thank you for listening, and I ask the moderator to apologize for all the mistakes and shortcomings in this presentation. If you have a question, please type them in the comment column. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.